today? Today we're going to do lesson plan number 9, grade 1, term 2. Here again, you've got your DBE worksheet link, worksheet number 36. So it looks like this. I'm going to go back to the lesson plan. You've got your CAPS link here. Then what you have is you have your resources and your new dictionary word. Pause here and go through it. Then we're going to start with the daily routine. I'm not going to do the daily routine anymore. Pause here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to ask your child these questions. Then after the daily routine, we're going to do the counting activity. Now, the counting activity is similar like the last two activities you've done. So what you're going to do is you're going to count in ordinal numbers. So in the classroom, you can make use of learners that's lining up. At home, you can make use of cookies, sweets, stones. And then you're going to ask questions. Who's 11th? Who's first? Who's last? At this point, pause the activity and do it practically. Welcome back. So now we're going to look at the mental maths. It's going to be a similar activity than the previous lesson where you're going to count and the child must then say it's right or wrong. If it's wrong, they need to correct the sequence. I want you to pause at this moment and then do the activity with your learners or with your child. So today we're going to focus on the number 9. Remember, we want them to understand it, so we need them to count out objects. So again, you give them 3 different objects. That's more than 9. You ask them then, in my example, to give you 9 pencils, 9 crayons, 9 counters. Let them make a drawing. Pause at this stage. Now we're going to go to the concept development. And we're going to look at the poster number 9. We're going to count the strawberries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to look at the word 9. You can pause at this stage so the child can have a nice look at this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to repeat what we did in the previous lessons. This time I'm not going to say it, but you can just pause here and read all these questions or statement and let your child do it practically by doing things in the air, in their books, and on piece of paper. You're going to repeat the same activity, but this time what you're going to do is you're going to focus on the word 9. Pause. Welcome back. So we're going to look at level 1, 2, and 3 again. So if your child struggled, do these activities concretely again. Let them count it out. Let them form the 9, the symbol, the word. Then the next level is on the worksheet on the next page where they match the symbols or the number of objects with the symbols. Let them do it. You can always cut out cards or make your own cards to make it more practically, and then they're going to do the worksheet. So let's go to the worksheet. Here again, you can do the worksheet, the SATeacher worksheet or the DBE worksheet. You already worked with this. You already completed this with their fingers. Now they're going to do it with a pencil. They're going to color in 9 pictures, and then they're going to complete the rest of the worksheet. The problem solving is then ask them the problem solving. Again, we link it to baseball. We know in South Africa we're not always so familiar with baseball. Maybe start to talk to them, ask them what do they know what's baseball, in which country do they play it, how many players, and so on. So make these activities real life and create some interest in things that's going around us. Then the consolidation, you're going to ask the questions again. By now, you know that yes, we can carry on. If some no, we need to repeat some of the questions, or you need to contact us as SATeacher.